Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey with Cook, Clean, and Create with Kelsey, and today we are going to be doing a power hour clean with me. So that is where I spend an hour straight just cleaning. I'm not going to do like super deep cleaning, just kind of surface cleaning, pick up the area, and that's pretty much all I have time for today is an hour. So I want to see how much of stuff I can get done. And my main focus is going to be my kitchen and dining room. And I have like 2 baskets of laundry I need to fold, and I would love to also do the living room as well. So we'll see what all we can get done. I'm really gonna try to like just power through it. So I think that's why they call it a power hour. But anyways, I feel like I'm still waking up. It's like 8 o'clock. Got my coffee ready. Need to bust it out because I got other stuff I need to get done today. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community, and hit the bell notification if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. I feel like I do best once I start with my kitchen. I like to get my sink cleared, my counters cleaned and wiped down, and that just gives me a boost of energy. Like, if I just feel refreshed when my kitchen is clean. So I think I'm going to start there, move into the dining room, and then do laundry, and then do the living room if I have time. So let's go ahead and get started.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
I don't know about you guys, but cleaning my sink is one of the first tasks I have to do every time I'm about to clean my house. There's something about having a cleared out and deep clean sink that just resets my mind. It gets me in cleaning mode, and I feel like I have more motivation than to clean the rest of my house. I would say for me, my kitchen is one place that I can't stand the clutter the most. I don't know why the kitchen or what causes that, but that's for me. I would love to know for you guys, what is one area that you always start with when you do your cleaning, and why? Is it because it gives you more motivation to keep cleaning, or is it your problem area where you build up the most clutter? Also for me, my kitchen is my biggest catch-all, especially my dining room table, because we walk right in the side door and it's like everything gets dumped right there. So that's been a goal of mine lately, and I've been working really hard at trying to keep that from being extremely cluttered. So the boys after school, they know to hang up their coats right away or their jackets, empty their bags and put those papers where they need to go, and then put their backpacks away. And same for me, I'm trying not to leave my purse at the table as much, hang up my coats, put my shoes away, stuff like that. Anything I bring in the door, put away right away. Also, this Miss Meyer's mum scent is my absolute favorite scent from Miss Meyer's. I am in love with it. I wish I would have gotten it in the hand soap, the dish soap, maybe even another surface spray because I think I'm going to go through it pretty fast, but I just think it smells so good. I love floral scents though, so no surprise that I enjoyed this one.
Where's your mind at? I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside that heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your heart that I wanna know? A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside the heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you? Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? the time. Don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here forever.
I know most people say that laundry is such a dreaded chore, but I actually kind of enjoy folding clothes. For some reason, it's just a little bit relaxing to me. I usually put on a podcast or some music that I enjoy, and then I just get to folding. I've had people ask me why I fold my clothes on my bed, and the reason I do that is because this way, for me to go to sleep at night, all these clothes need to be put away. Also, it's a big surface that's off the floor to lay out everybody's clothes. So for each of my kids, not so much Everly because I put her clothes away, but since the boys put their own clothes away and I fold them, I separate everything. So I have a shorts pile, t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, jeans and sweatpants go together, and then underwear and socks. This way, when they put clothes away, it's a little bit easier to keep it organized, and my hope is then their drawers are less messy. I do usually go down to their room though every few weeks and kind of go through it and make sure they're keeping it organized because, you know, kids, they like to just throw it in these drawers. But then another tip I have that I shared just a little while ago on Instagram was that I buy the boys both the same kind of socks, and they're just the basic gray and white socks, and that way I'm not dealing with mismatched socks constantly, and it makes my life a heck of a lot easier. And then I also do keep a basket of socks that I can't find matches for in my room, and then that way at the end of each time I'm folding laundry, I just pull that basket over and see if I have any matches in there for the extra socks I have on my bed. So that is my system, and it works really well for me. I actually don't dread doing laundry so much anymore because of these two reasons.
That I would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some motivation to set a timer and get up and get some stuff done in your house. I was able to do all of that in about an hour and 15 minutes. So I went 15 minutes over what I was going to, but I couldn't stop halfway through. So it feels so much better, honestly. I wish I had more time because I'm kind of like in the cleaning mode. In my dining room and kitchen floor, I could really use like a good mop. So that's on my to-do list for the next couple days, but for now it's gonna have to do. I have a couple meetings and stuff to get done today with Caden's school and stuff like that, so I'm headed out to do that, but it's gonna feel so good to come in this house to a clean slate. So anyways, again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to ask. You can find me over on Instagram at Kelsey_Crawford5. Or I'd love to connect with you down in the comments below. I'd love to know, do you prefer longer videos, anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes of like cleaning or organizing, things like that? Or do you prefer shorter videos, anywhere from 8 to 15 minutes long? I'd love to know you guys' preference. I am trying to kind of do both and see, you know, what everyone prefers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.